Yeah, and you've hit on a really important point because a lot of men, even like myself, kind of bristle at the idea of being called highly sensitive, not really understanding the depth of the trait. It's much more than just being emotional, right? And it certainly doesn't make you an emotional wreck. It just means you feel things more intensely than other people do. But it's also about sensory experience as well, being able to intuit things out of the environment that you grow up in, that you live in. That's one of the reasons why, as Dr. Aaron says, it was sort of baked into humankind that you'd have a percentage of the population that could see these things that other people are missing. It's a kind of a cautionary role that we take to make sure that we're there to warn the rest of the species about things. And I think for a lot of men, they hear highly sensitive and they immediately think of weakness. They think of not being able to handle things, not be tough enough, that kind of stuff. So getting them past that definition, I mean, we've talked about this. A lot of people have talked about, well, what can we call this? But I mean, the fact is the cat's out of the bag. I mean, the name's out there. It's become real established. It's going to be hard to change it. So it's probably going to be more of an effort of reframing what sensitive means for men. But that is one of the key things, is reaching out to men and helping them understand that, this is not a negative thing to have. It's actually a very positive thing, but you have to see the depth and dimension of what the trait is. And that's where the education comes in.